Have you ever walked through a deserted forest alone?
Hello Gerald, how are you?
Much better now seeing you, love.
Ooh, it's Monday again.
You're lucky. We plainclothes men work weekends.
Poor old thing, you're not the only one, you know.
How's Professor Dawson? Is he good looking?
You must be joking. He's over 50 and round a twist, if you ask me. And frightening with it.
Well, why does he live in solitude on that creepy island?
Something to do with his experiments. It's a bind getting there. I can tell you if it wasn't for young Pete, I'd never make it.
Oh well, takes all sorts. By the way, how's Braden Brown?
Oh, he's a pain in the neck. He's such a ditherer. He makes so many alterations in the words of the lyrics he writes. I have to type them a dozen times. Mr. Carson's the exact opposite.
Ah yes, the Forestry Commissioner.
Yes, I think I know as much about Dutch elm disease as he does.
Oh well, I can take a hint. I'm off. See you tonight then, love. Same place?
Bye, Fatfoot. Take care.
I can improve on that line, Miss Reed. That one there.
What a muddle you're in, Mr. Brown. Can I tidy up a bit?
No. No thanks. My wife was always moaning.
I didn't know you were married.
I was. I'm not anymore. It's a subject I don't want to discuss. There. That's better.
Sorry.
Now that's enough. Now just get that down as quickly as possible, please.
As if I care whether he's married or not.
for a nice cup of tea.
Oh, good.
Milk?
Yes, please.
Rather slow pouring. Yep. That's it. That's yours.
Oh, thank you.
That's mine. Well, it's getting rather late, Marion.
Yes, what a day I've had with Mr. Brown.
Oh dear.
He kept me so busy. That's why I'm late.
Well, surely you're not going to the island tonight?
Oh, yes. The professor's expecting me.
Oh well, rather you than me. Don't your sisters worry if you're out late?
Pauline and Jane, they never worry about anything. We've lived together far too long to worry about each other.
By the way, that little foxglove I've got, will you tell Pauline, would she like to come over and collect it
Oh,
sometime?
she'll be thrilled. However, did you catch it?
Ah, with a lot of cunning and a lot of patience.
And I always thought you were a simple-minded, warm-hearted man.
Hello, Peter. No, miss. Did you go to school today? No, miss. I've been in the woods all day. You're later today. I've got the boat ready for you.
Now, you really should go to school, you know.
I'll be here to help you when you return, miss.
Yes, I know you will.
Bye.
Bye. Sorry I'm late, Professor. I've been absolutely rushed off my feet. I haven't had a minute to myself all day.
There. Feet? What's wrong with your feet? There, I want those in triplicate.
Professor, your writing gets worse and worse. Now, what's this word?
Ah, it's Macrocarpus canarius.
Oh, the name of the seed you planted on Saturday. That's incredible. It's grown so big in less than 2 days.
You see what can be achieved by my system of ultrasonic stimulation using phase quadrature modulation. If only I had enough money to experiment as I wish. World famine would be a thing of the past. Crops that take 9 months to mature would be ready in a quarter of the time. But the fools won't heed me.
I'm sure you'll succeed one day. Now I hope you're looking after yourself. After all, your health is important.
What are you prattling about, girl? What is a life? What a score of lives compared with the millions that will be saved by my efforts.
Right, miss, I'll help well. Hurry up, Pete.
Thank heavens that's over. That man gives me the creeps. Who's seen my white handbag?
Oh, here it is. Got teeth, it'd bite you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's getting late. I'm going over to Mr. Carson's. Peter told me he's got a fox cub. Shall I take that basket?
Oh yes.
You better watch it. You know what these old bachelors are like.
Oh, don't be daft. Why are you two coming?
No, you won't catch me out in the woods at this time of night. I think I'll wash my hair while you've gone.
Oh well, if you're certain. I'll see you two later then.
Yes, okay. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Aren't you going to take a coat?
Oh, I would if I were you, you know.
No, it's rather warm out. I think I'll just go like this. See you two later then.
Yeah,
Bye.
cheerio.
Bye.
Peter, what's the matter?
It's Pauline, she's lying on the ground, she won't speak to me.
Where? Where is she?
Near Mr. Carson's
Oh,
caravan.
wait there a minute, I'll just go and get dressed.
Peter, what's wrong?
It's Pauline, she's lying on the ground, she won't speak to me.
Where is she?
Near Mr. Carson's caravan.
Is she badly hurt?
I don't know.
Well, we need anything, a string, talk.
No, I know the way.
Marion?
She's not far from here. Hurry.
Come on, I'm ready.
Oh, ready at last. Hurry.
She's dead! Pauline's dead! Get the police! I must help Gerald.
Emergency, which service, please? Ambulance, yes. What is the number you're speaking from, please? Yes, Boxford 227. Hold the line, please. I'm connecting you to the police.
I'm sorry, Inspector, but we just can't tell you anymore.
It's only me, Marion.
Oh, am I glad to see you.
Hey, what's the matter? What's up?
Well, I'm just asking a few questions.
Oh, are you? Well, in the first place, these two are going to bed. Second place, they got hardly a wink of sleep last night. So come on, off you go, you two. Right, now what's your game? Oh.
Your name, sir?
Dean, Gerald Dean, sir. I'm a friend of the family.
I'm Inspector Wilson. Haven't I seen you up at the training centre?
Yes, I've just completed the dog handling course.
I thought your face seemed familiar. Kidlington, eh? Look. Let's get some facts together. Perhaps you can help.
I certainly hope so.
Right. Now, give me some ideas. Newcomers, say, odd characters. Naturally, I've got men working on door-to-door inquiries, but every little helps.
Well, it seems so pointless. I've lived here all my life and the villagers love Pauline. Who would want to kill her?
So it wasn't a local. Any newcomers?
Yes, there's Carson.
Carson. The body was found near his caravan. What's he doing, living out there?
He's a forestry commissioner, studying Dutch elm disease. Quiet sort of chap, doesn't mix much. Been here about 6 months, I suppose. The songwriter, Mr. Brown, he hasn't been around all that long. Came about the same time as Carson and the Professor.
Professor?
Yes, Professor Dawson. He lives on the island.
What's his line of work?
Ultrasonic sound, I believe. But, well, Marion knows more about him. She works for him. That's queer.
What?
Well, I don't suppose it means anything, but she's worked for all three. Carson, Brown and the Professor.
What kind of work?
She's a travelling secretary, half a day here, half a day there, sometimes a full day, you know, we find the money useful.
So she's the link between those three men. Thank you, Gerald. Tell the sisters we're doing our best. Good day.
Oh God, isn't it quiet?
Would you feel better with Gerard here?
That's a good idea. I'll go and get him. He'll have had his dinner by now. I won't be long. You'll be all right.
Why? What's going to happen?
Well, nothing.
You won't be long, will you?
I'll be as quick as I can. That's the noise we heard when we found Pauline.
Come on, love, let's get home to Jane.
It's only us, Jane. That's strange. The lights ought to be on.
Perhaps there's a fuse.
Jane? Jane, where are you?
Don't move her, Marion.
I shall start work tomorrow.
Yes, Marion, I think it would be better for you.
It's very kind of the Coopers to let me stay with them. I couldn't go back to the cottage again.
Of course not. Look, I've got a surprise. Our house will be ready in a month. All we've got to do is set the wedding date.
Oh, could we really?
Are you really sure you're fit to start work again?
Yes, I'll be all right.
Ah, how nice to see you again, Miss Reed.
Good morning, Mr. Brown. This is Gerald, my fiancé. Decided to give me a lift.
Oh, how kind. Well, come in, a pair of you. Oh. Well, come along here, won't you? That's right, put it down there. Fine, lovely.
Well, you're all right, Marion?
Oh, goodness. Look over here. Get a drop of whiskey. It's
Where is it?
bottom's in the cupboard there. There's a glass of it, you find. You've come back too soon to work. You should have another few days off.
That's what I told her.
Never mind. See how you are after this drink.
Here we are. Have this.
You'll soon be alright after that.
That one, yeah. Okay?
How silly. Perfect. I don't know what came over me all of a
You
sudden.
sure?
Yes, I'm quite sure about it.
Oh, well, never mind. I'll look after her when she's here anyway.
Okay then, I'll be off then. I'll see you later then, Marion. Okay?
I'll see you out.
Thank you. Inspector, any developments?
Oh, there's just one thing. This chap Brown used to call himself Roberts.
What does that mean?
Can't say. Could mean anything. He might have a good reason for it. Anyway, we've still got to find the motive. Dawson's #1 on the list. My men will be entering the island tonight to make an arrest. Apart from sheer mutilation, both girls died of suffered from severe shock 2 minutes before death, and the doctor's report shows that they
Both strangled.
both strangled, yes.
Dawson?
Still no motive. What's that you got?
Remind you of anyone?
By golly, yes. Taken about 1950, aged about 25, judging by the hairstyle. Pretty. It reminds me very much of your Marion.
I found this in...
I've got a
Brown's
feeling
cocktail
this is
cabinet.
important. Let's get going. I only hope we're not too late. What's all this about? And who's this?
Is their mother?
You knew my mother?
Yes. We were married and she left me. We had a small son. She left him too.
Where is he? Where's he now?
Dead. She killed him. She walked out and left us. I had to go out and get food. Coal from the grate. Fell out and he was burned alive.
Oh my God, no.
She killed him as sure as she'd broken his neck. I vowed revenge. My God, I vowed revenge. She went abroad with this man. I traced them. Then I heard that she died and left the 3 girls. I never gave up though.
No.
I found them down here.
You killed Pauline and Jane.
Yes. It should have been the 3rd if you hadn't come in.
Come on, let's get the coat on. Oh, there's your motive. Come on, I'll have a signed statement from you down the station.